Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build a beautiful dark theme website using only HTML and CSS. If you want your website to look modern, clean, and professional, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have your own stylish dark portfolio page that you can customize and use for your projects. First, let's start by creating our basic HTML structure. We'll add a header, a navigation bar, and a main section for our content. Make sure your file is properly linked with your CSS file. Now, let's design the layout. We'll use containers to keep everything aligned and clean. A simple structure makes your website easier to manage and scale later. Here comes the most important part, the dark theme. We'll set a dark background color and use light text for better readability. Adding contrast is key to making your design look professional. Let's style the navigation bar, buttons, and sections. We'll add smooth spacing, modern fonts, and hover effects to make the UI interactive. Small details like shadows and transitions can make a big difference. Finally, we'll add some finishing touches like alignment, responsiveness, and clean spacing. Now your website looks sleek and ready to impress. And that's it. You've just created a dark theme website like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.